Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing 5 essential oral health tips for seniors. As we age, maintaining good oral health becomes crucial. Let's explore these tips to ensure a healthy smile. Tip 1. Proper brushing and flossing. Our first tip is proper brushing and flossing. For seniors, this is the foundation of good oral health. Use a soft bristle brush and fluoride toothpaste. Don't forget to floss daily to remove plaque and food particles between your teeth. Tip 2. Regular dental checkups. Tip 2 is all about regular dental checkups. Visiting your dentist at least twice a year is essential. They can catch issues early and provide guidance for maintaining your oral health. Tip 3. Managing dry mouth. Dry mouth is a common concern for seniors, our third tip. To manage it, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Consider using sugar-free lozenges or gum to stimulate saliva production. Tip 4. Healthy diet choices. Tip 4 focuses on healthy diet choices. As we age, it's important to eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Foods that promote gum and tooth health include fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. Tip 5. Medication awareness. Our final tip is medication awareness. Many seniors take medications that can affect oral health. Discuss potential side effects with your healthcare providers and dentists. They can help find solutions or alternatives if needed. In conclusion, these 5 tips can help seniors maintain excellent oral health. Proper brushing, regular dental checkups, managing dry mouth, a healthy diet, and medication awareness are key components of a healthy smile in your senior years. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable content. Remember, a healthy smile contributes to your overall well-being. Stay healthy and keep smiling.